Okay, we got a new lawnmower today. It's a Hyper Tough 20-inch side discharge lawnmower, and it said uh, somewhere it said okay, no assembly required. I don't know where it said, but it says somewhere. Yeah, hold on. Okay, yeah, it's right here. It says no assembly required. So, yeah, let's see where. There's the item, I guess. Let's see what happened. Okay, we got this guy. Actually, this side after that, it was bended over. I just flipped it. Boom. It's all right. Yeah. So I already put the gas in it, and as you see, it has a gas cap here. Gas cap, and okay, and I put the. It says that engine oil goes here, so I had to put some engine oil. It's engine oil came up with the one engine oil came up with it. Where it is? Let me show you guys where it is. Oh, it's right here. Okay, I got this guy with that. It says that Bridges and Stratton, Briggs and Stratton. It's SAE 30. It's a small engine oil, and okay, it's 15.5 ounce, which is 0.458. I mean 458 milliliter. It's okay. I guess it's gonna be good enough for now. So I use that engine oil here, and I put the gas. You can see it's full. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, it's full. So it took less than quarter gallon. It's not even a quarter gallon. You know, gas price is 2.899 cents. I mean, $2.89.90, or whatever it is, or $2.90. It's a tricky part anyway. So I'm gonna go and trim my yard. Let's go. Okay, this is the area, big area, and this is the old carpet. We put that on the ground so that we can you know, we have a plan to go for the garden here. And okay, she is actually trying to clean up this side and do some garden. I don't know what she is planning, but she has something. Anyway, this is the area she's gonna work, but I'm gonna do that here. Okay, and that side. All right, let's start. Let's see.